Namaskar, I am Adarsh. Welcome to Adarsh Education Society.
Good morning, students. Standard 5. Our subject is English grammar. We are going to learn a new topic, present simple and present continuous. Now we all know what is a present tense. The things which are done in present, the activities which are going on, such activities are called present tense. What is present tense? The activities which are done in present now, and now present, they are happening at this time. So the activities which are done in present are comes under present tense. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about present simple and present continuous. So what is present simple? Present simple. Present simple means we tell about the activities which are done regularly or repeatedly. For example, we study every day. So studying is a regular activity. Studying, mummy cooks at home, mummy works at home, father goes to office. So such activities, you children play every day. So such activities which are regularly done, which are repeated, are called simple present. The activities which are done regularly or repeated. For example, I speak English. I speak English. Now every day I speak English. So it is my regular activity. So how I will say it? I speak English. When I talk about me, we will also say we speak English. You speak English. I speak English, we speak English, you speak English. So in simple, present simple, how do we use the verb? We use the verb in its base form. We use the verb in its base form. Base form, we don't put ed, ing, anything. How is the verb? We take it in the simple form, in the base form. In the case of first person and second person, we use speak. But when we talk about the third person, he, she, it, what will we say? We will add verb plus s. We will add s to the verb. For example, he speaks English. She speaks English. It speaks English. So we add s to the verb. In the case of first person and second person, we don't add s. We use the verb in its base form. But in the case of third person, he, she, it, we use verb plus s. Verb plus s. So he speaks English. She speaks English. It speaks English. Okay? Here is a table given. How do we use a singular plural in the positive sentence? Now how do we use it in negative sentence? In negative sentence, we use did and does not. Now this we have looked about positive sentence. Positive verb in its base form. And in the case of third person, this is for first person and second person. I speak English. You speak English. But in the case of third person, he speaks English. What do we write? He speaks English. Now in the case of negative, what we will write? I do not speak English. We add do not. I do not speak English. You do not speak English. We do not speak English. And in the case of third person, we will write he does not speak English. What we will write? We will add here does not. And the verb will be remain in its base form. Here we will not add s. In the case of negative, we will not add s. Now question. How we will form question? Question we will take do in front of the question sentence. Do I speak English? And in case of third person, does he speak English? Does he speak English? So in the case of question, we will take do and does in front of the sentence. Now let us see about present continuous. Now what is present continuous? The activity in which the tense in which the activity is going on. The activity is still continued is called present continuous. It shows that the activity is still going on. It shows that the activity is still going on. For example, I am writing. That the writing is still continued. In present continuous, we will add verb plus ing. What we will add? Verb plus ing. And before that we will add linking verbs such as am, is, are, etc. I am, is, are. I am writing. He is writing. So present continuous shows that the activity is still going on. This is about positive sentence. How do we write in negative? Negative. He is not writing. And in the case of question, he writing? We will take the linking verbs in front of the sentence to form a question. We will take the linking verbs in front of the sentence. हम linking verbs को आगे ले लेंगे. Okay, so present continuous means the activity is still going on. In the case of positive, we write linking verb, that is am, is, are, and then verb plus ing. For example, he is writing, I am writing. Now how do we write it in negative sentence? We add not to the sentence. In the case of negative, we add not to the sentence. And in the case of question, to form a question, we take the linking verbs in front of the sentence. We will take the linking verbs in front. So am I writing? Is he writing? Okay. So with this we have finished our present simple and present continuous. Okay. Thank you, students.